Now available, the ultimate kill switch for the Jeep Grand Cherokee. Based on our successful Charger Challenger kit, the Grand Cherokee Ultimate Kill Switch is primarily designed for the Trackhawk and SRT, but will fit all trims from 2014 to 21. What gives our kit an advantage? A typical kill switch installation only has one switch. Carcat Creations provide two separately located switches that thieves are not going to expect and move on to another vehicle. The intent of this kit is to prevent the theft of your car or truck by disabling the push-to-start button. Even a hacked key fob cannot steal the vehicle. It is a quick and easy installation with no factory wire cutting, splicing, drilling, or modifying of any kind. Your remote start still functions, and this works with factory and aftermarket alarms. To place an order or any questions, please visit us at carcatcreations.com.